Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So if you're new here, feel much welcome to our family. This is All Things With Us. Thank you for joining us, feel much welcome here. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us, coming back and watching, liking and commenting and sharing our videos. So today's video, I'm going to be making a shoe rack. So let's start the video. So now here, as you can see on the screen, I'm starting by making the base, that is the legs for the shoe rack, and here I'm just applying the mahogany paste here, as you can see, because my client wanted it in this color. Also for the top, I'm going to be applying the same color on it. So basically here what I'm measuring and cutting here is the base. And to achieve a very strong and durable base for this shoe rack, I'm going to be applying wood glue and also attaching the frame with screws, as you can see on the screen. Now here, as you can see, this is how the base is going to be looking. So keep watching the video till the end. Here I have the pieces of the shoe rack that I did cut them off camera, but you can see I've labeled them: the top, the bottom, the middle part and the side boards. And for this part, I'm just going to be making a square because it's a 4 feet by 4 feet shoe rack. So I've just joined the box. Now I'm going to be making the doors because it's going to be having 2 doors and 1 drawer on the top. So keep watching the video so that you can fully understand all the steps that I've followed while making this shoe rack. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to like our videos, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. So now here I'm done with the doors because I'm going to be doing the same thing as the one that you have already watched. And here I'm going to start by applying the undercoat, which I'm going to be mixing with some water. And then after that, I'm going to finish off the whole shoe rack with a glossy white paint, but that one I will do off camera. But here I'm going to just show you how to apply the first coat, because I did make several coats on these shoe racks to attain a white product or white end product. And this is the paint that I was talking about, this synthetic fast dry white paint. I'm going to be finishing with it because it's it will bring a glossy final product.